To what extent does pH variation affect our lives? Yesterday's downpour was a respite from the long and scorching summer, and I could not resist the temptation of getting wet in the rain. After getting wet, I developed boils on my skin. Today, the doctor prescribed me medicine and said it is due to the pollutants that mix with rainwater and lower the pH of the water. Do you know what is meant by pH scale? Well, a pH is a scale that measures the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution, where P indicates potence or power. But what is the role of pH scale in our lives? Why we need to know the hydrogen ion concentration? Because living organisms cannot survive wide pH variation. For instance, the human body functions within an average pH spectrum of 7.0 to 7.8. But interestingly, only the digestive juice produced in our stomach is very strong hydrochloric acid with a pH value of 2. During indigestion, when too much acid is secreted, it causes pain and irritation. Again, people suffering from hyperacidity or excess of acid tend to develop cavities in the teeth. But how? It comes up through the digestive tract and affects the teeth enamel by corroding it. The teeth enamel is made of calcium phosphate, the hardest substance of our body. The toothpaste, being basic in nature, neutralizes the acid, thereby protecting the teeth from decay. Not only humans but crops also require a certain pH value for its proper growth, and based on the pH value of soil, the nature of crop is determined. For instance, while citric fruits require a slightly alkaline soil for its growth, the growth of rice requires acidic soil. Again, for the growth of sugarcane, a neutral soil is required. Sorry, I digressed from what we were discussing. Yes, pollutants in rainwater lower its pH value. Actually, rainwater is always considered pure with a pH value of approximately 7. But pollutants like the oxide gases of sulfur and nitrogen dissolve in the rainwater and decrease its pH value, making it acidic. This is also called acid rain. This acid rain not only affects human skin but also endangers plants and aquatic life as it falls on trees and flows into the rivers, lowering the pH value of river water also. As a result of acid rain, trees dry up and the aquatic life fails to survive. So now you know why the pH value of rainwater decreases and its effect on the environment. But do you know the pH value of some common solutions? Well, here is a list. The pH value of blood is 7.3 to 7.5. Saliva 6.5 to 7.5. Stomach acid juice 1.0 to 3.0. Soft drinks 3.0. Seawater 8.5. Household ammonia 12.0. Tomato juice 4.0 to 4.4. Let's take a look at what we have learned so far about the importance of pH in everyday life.